What is up, everybody? Good morning. Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in today's video, we're going racing. So I got everything I need for Thompson Speedway today. I got my food, I got my helmet, camera gear, long pants, meth injection, spare oil, just in case I need it. Hopefully I don't. Got my hat, I got my tent, I got my boost juice. And I have my ridiculously green shirt from Second Armament Apparel. And this should protect me from the sun. And I actually have a discount code. I've had a discount code for a long time. It's right in the link in my description. If you want any of their clothes, I think it's like 10% off. So go ahead and check them out. Now I know it looks overcast right now, but it's supposed to get to 100 degrees or close to it, which happens in New England. It looks like this in the morning, in the afternoon you're cooking. So that's why I'm wearing a nice long sleeve here. And my large brimmed hat and bringing a tent. But the game plan is to drive an hour and a half to Thompson Speedway and then do a time attack on the full course. So we'll be timed for this. I've never done this timed. I've never done Thompson timed. I've done it a couple of times before, but not timed. And this will be the first time running it with twice the horsepower. So we're going to really kind of test the car out. See how it's doing. Today's going to be a big day for it, but I think it's going to do fine. Stick with it. Stay tuned. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, ask questions, and let's hope today goes well. That's not good. So I am technically a novice, even though I have driven this track a couple times, but I'm not complaining because, you know, every single time you get an opportunity to have an instructor drive with you, you should absolutely take that advantage. So the way that CART runs it is that if you have never raced with them before, they have one of their instructors drive your car to give you a feel and give them a feel of what the car is capable of and what it feels like, and their expertise on the matter. And then what they do is they do a follow. So they drive their car, we follow as close as possible, and then once they say, okay, you know, you guys are doing good, they wave you on. Oh, hey, how you doing? Just vlogging.
You're what?
I'm just vlogging.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, buddy.
I heard you.
Yeah. Now the whole world knows that you wash your hands. Good for you.
Yeah, right?
Good for you. So once he figures out, you know, you're staying with him, it's showing you like the good turn-in points, all that stuff, and he feels confident, he'll go ahead and wave you on, and you're on your own. Everything all good with your Z?
Yeah, letting it
cool down a little bit. Good.
Nice, man.
Thanks, man.
Nice wrap.
Yeah, it's really old. Don't look too close. It's about 5 years old. That's why it's all crusty.
Is it turbo?
Look under the back.
Oh man. Oh, you have rear mounted turbo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is the first time it'll be on track with the turbo.
Are you the guy that did that YouTube video with it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, I don't know which one you saw. I have a channel.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, no, it's running 586 wheel horsepower right now.
Holy junk, dude.
And it's on stock internals at 153,000 miles on the motor.
Holy.
The only thing I've owned this for 5 years, 6 years. Actually, no, probably close to 7 years now. And the only thing I've ever replaced on it was a window motor. Just kept up with routine maintenance, and that's about it.
Dude, that's crazy. That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, man. I was like, what's something different that not everybody does? And the engine bay's so tight. At least with the HRs, there's a lot more stuff going on. So
Yeah. Oh, that's a huge turbo.
yeah, it's a Borg Warner.
How fast do you go down the street?
When it was NA, I hit 118 was my fastest.
Yeah.
And now it's almost double. I have no idea.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna try and push it too hard.
Yeah. Have you been out yet?
Not yet.
Be careful right here, man.
Why? What's up?
2 cars spun out. It's because you hit the brakes and I mean, you're kind of like
Your weight
tapered,
shifts.
and then your weight shifts, and then you turn in. On the Z, I felt it.
Yeah.
There's 2 cars that spun ahead of me.
No kidding.
They're all right. It's probably dry now, but
Yeah.
I felt it too a few times. So you just gotta take it slow around there.
Yeah.
It's gonna dry up pretty fast.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's already doing it. You can tell the paddock, there's only a couple of wet spots left, like around the building. So I think it's going to heat up pretty quick.
Under the bridge, there's like right under the bridge, it's still wet right there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good looks, good looks.
Yeah.
So that's good. How many laps did you just do?
I did probably 6 or 7.
Oh, okay.
I pulled in.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just a few. I mean, I'm just gonna take it slow. I just need to ease into it. I'm not gonna.
So we got the whole day, man.
Exactly. I don't want to leave on a flatbed. She's never left anything on a flatbed. I hope today's not the day.
Yeah. No.
So.
we're gonna take it easy, man.
Yeah, absolutely. This is weird being in the passenger seat.
It is? No, it's auto, right?
What?
Wait.
This is standard.
Oh, okay.
Silly goose.
No, I'm just like this car.
Is it automatic?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Like his car, not Jaffe's?
Both.
Gotcha.
Jaffe's is.
Oh, make sure traction control's off. It's down there.
No, I want it on because I'm not used to your car.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. When it trips, it's a horrible feeling. It's like blah, blah, blah.
All right, so the
Yes,
flood
sir.
line is here.
Yep.
You're gonna stay to the right the whole time.
Okay.
AC off.
All right.
Where's the rev limit in this?
7,700.
Okay. All right, you're gonna come out
Yep.
all the way out here.
Okay.
I would not recommend shifting mid-corner.
Okay.
A little bit of brakes here. Turn in.
Got it.
You can come in. Let the car come out all the way out here.
All right.
Hit the brakes somewhere around here.
Okay.
Turn in at the cone.
All right.
We want to link cones.
All right.
Take a little bit of curve in. Midway through here on the brakes. This is going to be about like a 40 mile per hour.
Okay.
So he's coming here, so I'm going to let him go.
All right.
Curving to curving.
Yep.
Slip. Oh wow, that is weird. Midway through here.
Yep.
You're gonna end up hitting the brakes because like this car's probably gonna hit like 85 there.
Okay.
Come into the cone. And somewhere around here. You can see it on the roof.
Like that little whistle?
Yeah. Alright, cone
Cone. Yep.
to cone.
Yep.
Nice and flat in here.
Yep.
And then inside.
Okay.
And then you're gonna come to this cone.
All right.
And, let it come all the way out. Don't slam the throttle during this.
Okay.
Either before or after. And then let it ride. You're gonna brake at the 5.
Yep. So at like 4, at 5 you said?
Yeah, you're gonna go so fast your brakes are not gonna be able to handle it.
All right, 5. That's good to know. So cone.
Yep.
Come into this cone.
Be about midway out here.
All right, midway. Back in.
Yep.
Little bit of brakes.
Come in.
Yep. Then out to this cone in gear. So you're staying semi-central after this cone, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay. So you're not going all the way out.
No.
Okay.
Be careful through here.
Right, this is where it changes. So try and hug that one if I can.
Yep.
Okay.
See on the throttle.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Through here. Yeah, this thing is gonna pick up so fast. You're gonna be like,
Yeah.
oh shit, braking zone.
Oh yeah.
Roll up to the throttle through here.
Yep.
You're gonna aim
Okay.
right in here, hit the brakes.
Yep.
As soon as you hit that expansion joint.
Okay.
And then come right in here.
And then come back in.
Yep.
All right. And hug the wall there for a second.
Right through here. Good?
Yep.
And you'd be on the gas through here.
All right. So don't floor it until over the knoll.
Or before.
Or before.
Just yeah, you don't want to be, when you release, you don't want to,
Right.
I know where the gears are.
Would you go second?
I think so.
Nice. Smells good. No worries. Don't worry.
You definitely need the shift.
Yeah. Yeah.
Midway through.
So this is good. You're doing most of this in third.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know. I like third a lot.
You're gonna have to hit fourth
Yeah.
for the straight.
Okay.
That might annoy you enough to turn it off. The traction control is limiting us quite a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
See that nice smooth line up to the point there?
Yep.
You want to decrease some speed through here,
Yeah.
come out. You can
Try
come
and
out
get
a
in.
little bit further if you
All right.
It's gonna catch us.
So stay mid here. Pointer. Okay.
I can't believe he's not even using brakes.
What's that?
I can't believe he's not even using brakes.
Is he?
He's not. He never even got on the brakes.
Oh, got you. Got you.
All right, we're coming in.
All right.
I would keep the traction control on for one session,
Okay.
and then kind of get an idea of it.
Okay.
Because I think it's going to be a drastic difference.
Okay.
I think it's going to be like it's inhibiting you,
Yep.
but after that it's going to be crazy. We're good.
Gotcha.
I just don't know where his gears are. What was that? I just don't know where his gears are. Was that you that missed the gear? Yeah.
Wait, is it good right now? Are you getting into gear?
No.
You're not?
No.
That's not good. That's not good. No, 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 don't push down. That's not good.
It's like your clutch went. Your input shaft?
I have no idea.
The clutch.
I can smell the brakes. Smoke back. Huh? The brakes.
The brakes are smoking?
Wait, why is the pedal off?
Is it sticking? It shouldn't be sticking if it's sticking.
There we go. The pedal wasn't coming all the way up. I don't know why.
The power wasn't coming all the way up? What do you mean?
Pedal.
Oh, the pedal.
Yeah, there's something wrong with his pedal.
Take a look at the turbo too. It's a little smoky.
Is it? Okay. Oh my goodness. That doesn't sound good. It should be returning no problem.
So I put my foot underneath the pedal
Yeah.
and picked it up.
Okay.
And it clicked. Something moved when I did that.
Okay. All right, let's check it out.
Hit it in gear once that happened.
Right. All right, guys, so what we think is going on here is either a master or slave cylinder situation. It could be that the fluid's cooked and boiled and I lost some hydraulic pressure because the clutch is back. Tons of pushback on it now, but when I release the clutch, the release is a lot higher now, and I feel like I have to get into a little bit of a higher rev range, probably just because I'm not used to where it's catching now, but it's a little bit higher than it used to be. So we're not going to be running it for the rest of the day, which is fine. You know, I'm just going to try and limp this back home. I'm going to continue to film here, get some footage for you guys, put it in the video, but this is the first event of the year. You know, we're working out the kinks. This still is a fresh build. I know I've been on it for a while, but I'm building it for the track. So you know, this is just a learning lesson. Keep your attitudes good. keep my attitude good and just help everybody else around me however I can, whether it be with pictures or flagging or whatever I got to do. But I think the Z is done for the day as far as competing and getting out on the track. But don't worry, we'll get this thing fixed up as soon as possible, and we'll be back at it again. We already have a couple more scheduled, so the goal is to keep going. And you know, the engine didn't blow up, transmission didn't blow up, turbo's still doing good. The smoke they mentioned earlier was just from the brakes, so I think we're good. Okay, update. I'm limping this home, and it is very clear to me now that the clutch is done. Look at this. See the RPMs? Anything over 2,500 RPMs, it starts to slip in every single gear. So the clutch is done. So the clutch has 50,000 miles on it anyways. I was thinking that it might be a weak point. It hasn't been on street driving, but you know, taking it to the track just kind of pushed it over the edge. So I'm gonna have to see what I'm gonna do for an upgrade on a clutch. And at least we kind of identified what's going on. We'll just do the whole shebang. We'll do a new clutch, you know, we'll check out the slave and master cylinder while we're in there. We'll flush everything, we'll make sure all the lines are good. So I think we have a game plan. It's unfortunate that, you know, it's the first time out, but it's the first time out. You know, this is still technically a fresh build, and you know, you got to figure out these issues one way or another, and it may as well be the first event, first run, and then we can fight live to fight another day. I didn't make it home, so I had to call the tow truck, and I went as far as I could. I probably went a little over an hour away before just slight inclines on the highway were like not even, I couldn't get any grab. So I got off the highway, and it took me like 6,000 RPMs just to slowly go through the intersection and get up here. I was fighting for my life, but I made it here. Luckily, I've got AAA, so we're gonna get this sorted out, and it's been an eventful day. I'm tired. It's like 90 degrees out here. It's hot, so I am really looking forward to a nice shower and a good home-cooked meal.